In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a thank you email in LeadPages, whether you're a beginner or just looking for a faster way to handle your emails. Stick around till the end because I'll also share some great alternatives that might even be a better fit for your needs. First off, let's dive into LeadPages. When you create a landing page, you want to make sure your visitors get a confirmation email, right? It's crucial for building trust and keeping your leads engaged. So, how do you set this up? Next thing you need to do is log into your LeadPages account and navigate to the page you want to edit. Once you're inside the editor, go to the Integrations section. You'll see options for connecting your email marketing software like MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, or ConvertKit. Make sure you've connected your account if you haven't already. Now, let's set up the thank you email itself. Once you're in the Integration section, find your email tool and click Settings or Automations. From there, you'll usually see an option to set up an auto-response email. This is where you'll write the thank you message you want your visitors to receive after submitting their information. The fourth thing to keep in mind is making the email personal. Instead of just a generic, "Thanks for signing up," try adding the lead's first name using the personalization options your email service provides. This helps improve engagement and makes your emails feel more human. Next, you'll want to test your thank you email. Once it's set up, make sure to submit your own information through the landing page to see how the email looks in your inbox. This step ensures there are no mistakes, like broken links or missing personalization. And here's a pro tip: timing is key. If you can, try to set your thank you emails to arrive immediately after someone subscribes. If there's any delay, you risk losing the momentum you've just built with your new lead. Now, let's talk about alternatives. While LeadPages is a solid tool, I've found some other platforms that actually do a better job of handling email automation and lead nurturing. These alternatives not only integrate well with email providers, but they also offer more customization and flexibility, especially when it comes to automated workflows. You've got to try these out, and I'm here to make sure you get the best deal. Through the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial to the software I recommend, plus benefits that aren't available anywhere else. But don't just take my word for it. Give these alternatives a shot. You'll see why they're a great choice for managing your leads and thank you emails, and they come with free trials too. That's it for this quick LeadPages tutorial. If you found this useful, hit the link below for your extended trial, and don't forget to check out those alternatives. Thanks for watching.